everyone, welcome to the very first episode of Listen Learn Speak English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Henry.
Here at LLS English, we help you speak English more naturally, in everyday situations.
No difficult grammar lessons. Just real conversations people actually use every day.
And today's topic is something almost everyone experiences at some point. Eating at a restaurant.
Which sounds simple, until the waiter suddenly asks you a question, and your brain completely freezes.
That happens to a lot of English learners.
Honestly, sometimes even when I know the words, I still panic.
And that's exactly why we're practicing this today. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to enter a restaurant, order food naturally, ask questions confidently, and pay the bill in English.
Alright, I'm ready. Hopefully this goes well.
Alright Henry, imagine we just walked into a restaurant. A waiter smiles and says, "Good evening. Welcome to the restaurant." What would you say?
Good evening.
Perfect. Simple and polite.
Wait, do people also say, hello?
Of course. You can say, hello, hi, good evening. All of them sound natural.
Okay, good. Because sometimes I overthink simple things.
Most learners do. But remember, simple English is powerful. Then the waiter asks, how many people? Do you know what that means?
They're asking how many people are eating together?
Exactly. So if there are 2 people, you can say, table for 2, please. Try it.
Table for 2, please.
Perfect. And if you're alone, table for 1, please.
That sounds much easier than I expected.
See? Restaurant English is usually short and simple. Then the waiter says, please come this way.
Meaning follow me, right?
Exactly. And another common sentence is, your table is ready.
Okay. I think I can handle this now.
Now imagine you sit down, but there's no menu on the table. What would you say?
Give me the menu?
People would understand you. But a more natural and polite way is, can I get the menu, please? Or, could I see the menu, please?
Oh, could I see the menu? Sounds really natural.
Yes. And many restaurants now also have digital menus. So the waiter might say, you can scan the QR code.
I still act confused every time someone says QR code.
Honestly, so do many people.
Okay, why do restaurant menus suddenly become difficult to read?
Because menus have a lot of special vocabulary. But once you learn the common words, it becomes much easier.
Alright. What's a starter?
A starter is a small dish you eat before the main meal. Like soup, salad, or garlic bread.
And main course means the main food?
Exactly. Things like burgers, pasta, pizza, steak, or rice dishes.
Okay. And what about side dishes?
Those are extra foods that come with the main meal. Like fries, salad, rice, or mashed potatoes.
Alright, menus already feel less scary now.
Good. Another useful word is beverage. That simply means drink.
Restaurants really love complicated words sometimes.
They definitely do.
Okay, Emma, what if I don't know what something is? Because sometimes menu names are confusing.
Very common situation. You can ask, what is this? Or more naturally, what comes with this dish?
Oh, that's useful.
You can also ask, is this spicy? Is this vegetarian?
What if I have absolutely no idea what to order?
That happens all the time. You can ask, what do you recommend? Or, what's popular here?
Oh wow, that actually sounds really natural.
Exactly.
I'm definitely using that sentence from now on.
Then the waiter asks, would you like something to drink? What would you say?
I want water.
That works. But a more natural way is, can I get some water? Or, I'd like some water, please.
Yeah, that sounds more natural.
Exactly. And here are some other examples. I'd like a coffee. Can I get an orange juice? I'll have a lemonade.
Okay, so I'd like and I'll have are both common?
Very common. Both sound polite and natural. Now let's order a starter.
Alright, I'll have the garlic bread.
Perfect.
What if I want to share food?
Great question. You can say, we will share the garlic bread.
Oh wow. That sounds really natural.
A few minutes later, the waiter comes back and asks, are you ready to order?
This is usually the moment where I panic.
Don't panic. Simple English is enough.
Alright, I'd like a chicken burger and fries.
Perfect. That's exactly how many people order food.
So I'd like sounds better than I want a chicken burger?
Yes. I want isn't wrong. But I'd like sounds softer and more polite.
Okay. I think I'd like is becoming my favorite restaurant sentence now.
And remember, you can use it for almost anything. I'd like a pizza. I'd like some water. I'd like a coffee.
Simple, but really useful.
Now imagine you don't want onions. What would you say?
No onions, please.
Perfect. Very natural. You can also say, can I get extra cheese? Can I have it without tomatoes?
Okay. Without tomatoes is definitely useful.
Very useful. Especially if you're picky about food.
I feel attacked. Okay, Emma, serious question. What if the waiter speaks really fast? Because that happens to me a lot.
First of all, that's completely normal. Even advanced learners sometimes ask people to repeat things. And this sentence will save you. Sorry, could you repeat that?
I definitely need to remember that sentence.
You can also say, sorry, I didn't catch that. Or, could you speak a little slower, please?
That last sentence is really helpful.
And don't feel embarrassed using these sentences. People repeat themselves all the time. Then the waiter might ask, would you like anything else?
Meaning more food or drinks.
Exactly. And if you're finished ordering, you can say, no, that's all for now.
For now sounds really natural.
It does. Because maybe later you'll order dessert or another drink. After a few minutes, the waiter may ask, how is your food?
And I can say, it's delicious.
Perfect. Or, everything tastes great. The food is amazing.
Everything tastes great sounds fancy.
It sounds natural. And native speakers use it often.
Okay. I'm adding that to my restaurant vocabulary too.
Now imagine we finished the main course. The waiter asks, would you like any dessert?
Dessert is my favorite part of the meal.
Agreed. So what would you say?
Yes, I'd like some ice cream.
Perfect. Short, simple, and natural.
Can I also say, can we see the dessert menu?
Absolutely. That's very natural. Now dinner is finished. What do you say?
Can I get the bill, please?
Exactly. And in American English, many people say, can I get the check, please?
That confused me for a long time. I thought check meant checking something.
A lot of learners think that. But in restaurants, bill and check mean the same thing. Now the waiter brings the bill. If you want to pay by card, what can you say?
Can I pay by card?
Perfect. Or, do you take credit cards?
And what if I want to pay cash?
You can simply say, I'll pay cash.
Easy enough.
After paying, the waiter says, Thank you. Have a nice day. What would you say?
Thank you. Or, everything was great.
Perfect. That sounds warm and natural.
Restaurant English feels much easier now.
See? Most restaurant conversations use very simple English. Alright Henry, let's do one full restaurant conversation. I'll be the waiter.
Alright. Let's see if I remember everything.
Good evening. Welcome to the restaurant.
Good evening.
How many people?
Table for 2, please.
Please come this way.
Thank you.
Here are your menus.
Thanks.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like 2 orange juices, please.
Sure. Would you like any starters?
Yes. We'll share the garlic bread.
Great choice. Are you ready to order?
Yes. I'd like a chicken burger and fries.
Anything else?
No onions, please. And that's all for now.
Perfect. A few minutes later. How is your food?
Everything tastes great.
Wonderful. Would you like any dessert?
Yes. I'd like some ice cream.
Of course. Anything else?
Can I get the bill, please?
Certainly.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice evening. And that's a complete restaurant conversation in English.
Honestly, this feels much easier now.
And remember, you do not need perfect English. Simple, clear, and polite English is enough.
The more you practice these small conversations, the more confident you'll become.
Exactly. So replay this episode, practice the phrases out loud, and try using them in real life.
And if this episode helped you, subscribe to LLS English for more real-life English conversations.
We'll help you improve your listening, speaking, vocabulary, and confidence step by step.
Keep listening, keep learning, and keep speaking English.